Let us see the next question, that is third question in exercise 1.1 from NCERT book, 6th grade. Insert commas suitably and write names according to Indian system of numeration. In this, the first number is 87595762. This has no meaning if you read like this, right? So let us group the digits into periods according to Indian place value system. According to this system, place a comma from last 3 digits and next after every 2 digits. Now let us name the periods as ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, now let us write the number name as 18 crores period, so 8 crore. 75 is in lakh period, so 75 lakh. 95 is in thousands period, so 95,000. And lastly 762 in ones period, so write 762. Okay, the next one is 8546283. Let us place commas and separate into periods. 283 before a comma and 46 before another comma. Now the periods are 283 in ones, 46 in thousands, 85 in lakhs. So 85 lakh, 46,000 as 46 in thousand period. Next just 283. Now coming to the next number, 999,00046. First let us place commas according to Indian system like this. Before last 3 digits 1 comma and next before 2 digits and again before 2 more digits. Now the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Now the number name is, as 9 is in crores period, write 9 crores, and 99 in lakhs period, so 99 lakh. And remember, no number is in thousands period, so skip it and write just 46 next. Now the next number is 984,32701. Now let us place commas according to Indian system. That is last 3 digits before a comma, next before 2 digits 32 and next before 84. Now the periods are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Now let us write the number name, as 9 is in crores period, 9 crore, 84 lakh, 32,000 and 701. So this is the number name for this number. Now coming to the next question, fourth question, that is insert commas suitably and write number names according to International System of Numeration. Okay, in this the first one is 789,21092. Let us group these numbers according to International Place Value Chart. In this system, commas are to be placed after every 3 digits from the last, that is before 092 and before 921. Now the periods are here ones, thousands and millions. As 78 is in millions period, let us write it as 78 million, and 921 is in thousands period, so 921,000, and 092 in the ones period, so simply write 92. Now the next one is 7452283. Separating into periods and placing commas, we get 283 in ones period, 452 in thousands period and 7 millions. 7 is in millions, so we write it as 7,452,000. Next 283, right? The next number is, we'll go to the next sum. The next number is 999,85102. Again separate into periods and place commas. We get now 102 before a comma and 985 before another comma. The periods are ones period, thousands period and millions period. The number name is, as 91 in millions period, so 91 million, and 985 in thousands period, so 985,000, and lastly 102, 102. That's it. The next number comes to 480,49831. Separating into again periods and placing commas, we get 831 in ones period and 049 in thousands period and 48 in millions period, right? 48 million and 049, that means just 49,831. 831 is in ones period, so just write 831. That's it.